This week, we're going to work on reading and spelling words with magic E that have 2 syllables. I'm going to show you a few of these words now. The first word we're going to look at is cupcake. I'm going to pound the syllables, cup, cake. Now I'm going to do the first syllable, cup. Now I'm going to do the second syllable, cake. Cake. Here I see that I have a long A with a magic E. My word is cupcake. Now I'm going to do my markings for the word. So first I find the vowels in each word. Draw my bridge. My consonants sit on the bridge. I have 2 of them, so my line goes through the middle. Now I see my first syllable, cup. This is a closed syllable with a short U. So I'm going to put my short U symbol and CL for closed. My second syllable is cake. It has a long A sound with a magic E. So this is a magic E syllable type. This word is closed magic E. Let's look at another 2-syllable magic E word. The word we're going to look at is bathrobe. Bathrobe. The first syllable is bath. B-A-th. Bath. Let's write it. B-A-th. Bath. My second syllable is robe. R-O-B. Robe. R-O-B. Robe. Okay, let's go ahead and do our markings. Vowel, vowel, bridge. My consonants sit on the bridge. Remember, TH is a digraph, so that's just one sound. My line goes between the consonants. My first syllable is bath. It has a short A sound and it's closed. My second syllable is robe. It has a long O sound and it's a magic E. This is another closed magic E syllable type.